What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I actually wanted to show you just a order that I'm doing that went off from the last video where I was doing a 3-piece sample for a customer, and then I ended up they ordered 58 shirts. So I just want to show you guys that. Basically just explain to you, like, this is why I do samples sometimes for people. Like when they call me up and say, hey, could you do me 3 shirts? I just want to see what they look like. She's gotten shirts from me in the past, but she's only gotten about 4 shirts off of me. But this one I really like, and I got it. The transfers I'm using, I got gang sheets, and it was the last order. If you guys go on my video from literally 2 videos ago, it was this back hit and then this front hit. So I got 3 gang sheets. I believe it was the 20-foot gang sheets. I got 3 of them from Ninja Transfers, and then I started the shirts already. So they changed up the color from what the sample was. That's the shirt. You guys can see it. I mean, it came out really nice. But I just wanted to show you guys that real quick and basically explain to you, why I do samples or why I help people out with samples. This is just an easy way to get money. I got 20 shirts left on this order, but just as simple as that. You know what I'm saying? You're going to make profit on that. You're doing a front hit, a full color back hit. You're going with DTF transfers. So you're going to make decent money on it, depending on what you charge and everything like that. The way I charge these orders is I'll basically take their order and I'll place it with custom ink. And I'll put it in, like, I won't actually fully place the order, but I'll call places and I'll put these orders in and get a quote from them. And then basically I know what I paid for it, so I'll work around that and just see what's in my area. Everybody's area is probably going to be different. So if the local guys, there's like 3 or 4 local guys around me. So if I see what their prices are for this order, then I'll knock it down, because I'm new to this. These guys are high up, they got big facilities and everything. I'm just still out of the house. But I'll knock it down, say $100, and I'm still making profit on it. But then these are customers that end up coming back to me, because once you do your work, if you do good work, they're going to come back no matter what. You're giving them a good price. I'm getting it to them in a decent amount of time. And then that way I'm just giving them a better price, because most of the time people are going to take their logos that they have and they're going to go online or something like that, and they're going to try to price it out to see if they could get it cheaper. Like in most cases back in the day when I used to order shirts, I'd call places and I'd be like, well, I was into making shirts a little bit back then. But I going through places, and I'd go online and try to make a shirt from whether it's Custom Ink or, Vistaprint or Imprint or whoever it is. But that's just how I wanted to tell you. I did a sample for these people. They came back a couple days later and said, hey, we want to get 58 shirts. Right off the bat, that's just an easy thing. I already had their logo made up in Adobe Illustrator, and I just ordered their shirts. They gave me new shirts. I already had their transfers ready because I had the logo done from the sample. So that was just a quick video for you guys, just to show, like, don't turn down everything you get. Sometimes it's might cost you more in the end, or you might break even. But I've gotten a lot of jobs from giving samples or just giving one-off customs that I only made $10 on starting off, and these turn into customers that I've had for the last 5 years. So that's just a quick video for you guys to help you out. In the beginning, I wouldn't turn down anything. Take every job you can get. It gets you practice, it gets your name out there, and it gets you customers. So, alright guys, so I just wanted to show you a quick clip to end that video. These are all the shirts done. I still got some leftover transfers. I always get some extra ones from Ninja Transfers or from wherever I order from. But these came out real nice. The colors are just popping in them. So I just wanted you guys to see that. So I'm gonna get this order packed up. I put it right back into the box that I got the shirts in, and then I put all my receipts and everything in there and give it to the customer. So I just want to do this quick video for you guys. I hope you guys like this video. So if you guys would, like, comment, subscribe, and I'm going to keep coming out with some more of this content. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. All right. Peace.